Hey everybody, it's me Sissy. Today I've got a Dollar Tree haul for you. And this is my sweet peanut boy. We call him AccuPeanut because he's our weather barometer around here. If he is trembling, there's a storm coming in. Let's see. Oh, looks like about 75% of a rain shower's coming because Peanut's not happy. Say hey, Peanut. He is the goodest boy in the world. And you have a jealous Dottie down there. But anyway, stay tuned and see what I got at Dollar Tree this week. Okay, let's get right to this haul. I don't really have a favorite thing this week. I like a lot of stuff there. My Dollar Tree is kind of still in the Halloween fall stuff. No Christmas stuff yet. Not a sign of Christmas stuff yet. But they do have some nice fall stuff, and I did get a few things. But it's random order. We're just going to go through the bag. So the first thing is these peanut butter flavored dog treats, and you get a pound, 16 ounces, 1 pound for a buck. And my dogs love them, so I get them for them every now and then. And then I got my son these TGI Fridays cheddar and bacon and potato skins. He says they're a good little snack. And I got some of the florals. Dollar Tree has such good florals this year. I got these 2 sprays of the fall leaves. It's just maple leaves. And then I got an assortment of the sunflowers. So I think I'm going to use them on an upcoming wreath. Yeah, I got them to go with this little sign right here, which says give thanks, and it has the sunflowers on it. So I thought they would look good with it. I'm going to put those two together and see what we come up with. Oh, and I was able to find some. I've seen everybody hauling this, and I thought I would give it a try. The Herbal Essence foam in the shower foam conditioner. I got the blue ginger. It'll focus on that blue ginger. And then I got the white grapefruit and mimosa mint, I don't know, white grapefruit and mint, but anyway. So I'm going to give those a try, and I'll let you know how I like them. And I picked up some of the Radiance Skincare Cocoa Butter Cleansing Wipes. Some of y'all know, if you see my other videos, I have eczema, and my face is 99.5% clear. I have one little spot right here and one little spot beside my nose right here that I'm still babying and putting creams and everything on, but I'm trying to be really good, make sure I get all my makeup off, and this does work good. There's one in the pink package. I can't remember what brand it is or anything, but it's in a pink package like this. It works best, but my Dollar Tree was out of them, so, and I do like these. They smell good, so I got those. And then I got my SureFresh slider seals. I love these. These are great for my meal prep. I can get all my stuff done and throw it in a bag and just grab it out of the refrigerator when I want to do something. Oh, wait, I do remember what my favorite thing was. I found these as I was going out the register, and so far I haven't seen anybody else haul them, so they're new to me, brand new. And it's 2 things. One is this cute little unicorn angel pug, and it just says decor, and it's a Greenbrier, but he is adorable. Look at his little wings. I thought he was so cute, so I had to get him. And the other one is this little trinket tray, which I'm going to say is a unicorn because it's got the little horn and the little ears. I thought that was so cute to sit on my dresser and throw my jewelry in. So, but those are my favorite things from this week. So, alright, now let's see what else we got in here. Oh, I got some Diet Cola for my mommy so she can burp when she feels better. She's still feeling a little down. I don't know if it's part of having Alzheimer's, but she's kind of really depressed right now, and she doesn't want to get out of bed, and I understand because she's scared all the time, but I'm trying to make her get up and come be in a video, so I hope she'll be in one soon, so y'all keep looking for her. I got my son some of the sour gummy bears. He loves these, and you get 3.6 ounces. They're so full of carbs. Wow. This whole little bag has like 75 carbs in it. I used to eat them by the bag full, y'all. I got some of this Gain Aroma Boost Original. This smells so good. Sometimes I like to throw this in like when I wash my dog blankets or my slip covers for my couch. It does smell really good. I mean, I know y'all can't smell it, but it's really a florally, really floral. Like no particular flower, but it's florally, if that's a word. And I found some of the Floral Garden Decorative Nautical Rope, and it is the 13 feet one, so I got that. And I picked up some Goo Gone, Goo and Adhesive Remover. Most of the time I can get all the sticky off with just a little bit of alcohol, but sometimes you get a stubborn spot that won't come off, so I thought that'd come in handy. And it's better than getting a big bottle that's going to sit around forever. And I got some I got some dryer sheets that match the Aroma Boost that I got, kind of reinforce that fragrance in there. And I got this really pretty ribbon. I was kind of thinking it would go with that plaque if I do that on a wreath. So I got this plaid. It can be fall, it can be Thanksgiving, so I just went ahead and picked up 2 rolls of that. And I got my Carpet Fresh that I always get. They didn't have the pet odor one, so I got the Fresh Sensation. It smells really good. Island Mist. That's my favorite scent in that one. And I picked up some of these little condiment cups because I'm doing my meal prep and taking my lunch every day. And instead of dragging a whole bottle of salad dressing to work, I'm going to use this to put my dressing in. And let's see, I picked up my son's pizza crust. He loves these pizza crusts. I get them for him a lot. It's the ultra thin 2 crust. These are made with honey. That's interesting. I was trying to see what size it was. Well, I don't know what size that is. What was that, about 8 inches maybe? But anyway, he loves these. And if you buy these in the store, they're like $3 or $4. So you can't beat that for $1, excuse me. And I got a few tablecloths. So y'all know what that means. I'm going to try another tablecloth wreath. I got these really pretty fall ones. These could be for Thanksgiving or just fall, but they have the maple leaves on it. So we're going to see what we can do with that. And I got 3 of those. And I got the cute little bag of the 50 pieces of maple leaves. So that's cute. You can use that for a lot of things. You could decorate your sign, embellish your signs. You could put it on cards. Use it on wreaths. You can use it in flower arrangements. A lot of use out of that. And then I picked up my son some of these Tasty Cake with a K, not a C, pecan swirls. And this is good until October the 24th. So that's a good deal. And that's it. I think you can barely make out the price. The regular price is like $1.99, so half price. And then I got Mommy some cookies. I got her the variety pack so she can just have her a little snack. And that's it. That's my Dollar Tree haul for this week, y'all. Stay tuned. I hope to have a lot more videos up this weekend. It's nice, cool weather around here today, so maybe I can get some stuff done. But y'all have a great day. And go shopping at the Dollar Tree. See what you can find. Y'all have a great day. Bye, y'all. Dottie said no fair. She didn't get to be in the video. Her wants to say hey to the peoples. Say hey to the people. Say hey. It's how Dottie do. I'm Mama's princess. Love you. Love you. You love Mama? Huh? You want to get down? Okay.